Okay, so today we're going to be making this little card, and the main idea is to show you how to make this little flower. First of all, we go ahead and we punch out 6 of these little scallops. I've already punched out 4 and colored them in. Now to get that color on that flower, we're just going to take, I've used Poppy Parade, run your scallop circle so that you get the edges covered in Poppy Parade and a little bit in the middle. You're going to do the same, you're going to do the Poppy Parade 3 times, and then you're going to do the Pool Party 3 times as well. And once you've got enough ink on there, you're going to put it on a non-porous surface. I like to use this little guy. And take a spray bottle and just mist it with water, and that just makes the ink bleed a little bit. Once you've done that and your paper's all nice and wet, and you're going to take them and layer them. I want red on top, so I'm just going to go alternate colors. I want red underneath there, and blue. You're then going to use your paper piercing tool, and because your paper is wet, you want to be a little bit gentle with this. Poke a hole in the middle, all the way through all the 6 of those layers. Pull it out gently so you don't pull a wad of paper with you when you pull your piercing tool out. Take a brad, stick that in the middle, open it up at the back, and this is where you're going to go in and individually scrunch these little scallops. Again, being very careful not to put any pressure on the paper underneath the brad because it can pull up. And we're just going to go in and scrunch all of these one at a time. And the last one's pretty easy to do. So once you've scrunched them all up, you can open it just enough to make it look like a flower. Put that to one side. Cut a piece of paper 6 inches by 3 inches. This is very vanilla. Fold it in half. I've run a 2.5-inch circle that I punched out with a circle punch through the big shot with the dots. Adhere this to your little card. On your piece of vanilla cardstock, you're going to stamp any words that you want to. I'm just using Early Espresso, stamping it on Very Vanilla, and I'm punching that out with this little punch. I think it's the label punch from Stampin' Up. Punch that out, put that on some dimensionals, adhere that to the bottom of the card. I like a little bit of blue sticking out the bottom of the circle. And then using your glue dots, get some glue dots in the back of your flower. I think 2 is sufficient because these are very, very sticky. Come on, stick. Because the paper is still a little bit wet, it's struggling to stick. We're going to put that down, push it down. We can squish it in and really give it a nice little push. And there you go. There you have your card, all done. Thank you very much.